This is the LBK replacement line for the leaf mulcher. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Alright, it's got all the line in here. So that looks pretty good. It says here on the package, proudly made in the USA. So that's pretty cool. Alright, let's go ahead and put one of these on the mulcher and see how it fits. Alright, so we just put the line through right here. See how it fits in there. Okay, so it fits alright. Get it even here and see how it fits in this little hole here. Okay, so it seems to be doing pretty good. Alright, yeah, it fit in there alright. Let's go ahead and put the other one in. Alright, it looks like it's in there pretty good. We'll go ahead and test it out. Alright, it looks like we got all the leaves out of the bucket. Let's see how it did here. We still got some line left here. We could probably do another bucket with it. Looks like it's a little bit worn on this side.